Our aim with the Security and Compliance Center in Office 365 is to give you transparency into the actions taken against your data, enabling you to investigate and respond to potential issues. This set of features is grouped under Auditing for Office 365, and today I'll walk you through some of the new capabilities we have that enable search and investigation in the service. The new Security and Compliance portal is available in the App Launcher or from your home screen in Office 365. This portal is a single place to manage your security and compliance activities, and unlike the admin portal, it is targeted at more than system or IT administrators. We've also designed an experience customized for security, compliance, or legal personnel. Traditionally, you would have separate products for these role-specific views, but we have combined the experience while preserving the administrative and security boundaries. To illustrate, let's take a look at our Audit and eDiscovery roles experience. Here we have a permissions area that allows you to assign people in your organization various roles. There are some that we define for you. You can customize the roles as appropriate. For example, the eDiscovery administrator is allowed to perform searches and place holds on mailboxes, SharePoint online sites, and OneDrive business locations. They have the ability to do case management, export, hold, preview, and review, and we have granted that ability to 2 employees in the organization. It's worth noting that for sensitive roles like the Content Search Administrator, these roles are always empty by default, and no admin in the system can view end-user content unless explicitly granted the privilege. Moreover, this action of explicitly granting privilege is audited, so elevations are always recorded in the system. Now let's take a look at where in the Security and Compliance Center you can see these events. I navigate to the Search and Investigation tab and click on Audit Log Search. Here I can see all the events in my tenant, and I'm able to search for them by user, date, or item name. Let's use this to walk through a common scenario of how we might conduct an investigation to identify and take action against data which may have been compromised. Here we have learned that certain sensitive information has been inadvertently shared too broadly within and outside my organization. We know that information about Firestone has been leaked, but we don't know which document or user specifically is the source of the leak. To find this information, we do a content search against documents that have the code name Firestone. I navigate to my eDiscovery tab. And here I have previously created a search for all content with the keyword Firestone. Because I don't know what type of document this is or what the name of it is, I need to use the eDiscovery in-place index to locate it and get the file name. I go to my search, I update the search results, and then I preview what was returned. I use this preview pane to look at large numbers of documents and emails of various types. Here I find that the document Firestone is actually a patent document and has the necessary keywords, and I'm also able to derive what is the name of the document. This gives me enough information to now run an audit log query to get more information. If I want to view the document in its full fidelity, I can use the download link to open it in Word. But right now, I'm going to return to my audit log search page. Here, I'm able to filter my search results on the name of the document, Patent ID. I see here that app.sharepoint has accessed this file. This is not surprising because this references the service name which was enabling preview of the document previously. I look down and I see that Katie Jordan has accessed the document. Also not a concern because Katie is an auditor with the project. And finally, Belinda Newman, who is a paralegal in our company, has accessed the document. What is a concern, however, is that Katie Jordan has shared this confidential document out with the group Everyone. This group includes external users as well as internal users within the organization that should not have access to this content. Now, normally, the first thing I would do is put this document and everything with the keyword Firestone on hold to ensure that content is not deleted or altered by members of the Everyone group. But right now, I'm most interested in seeing what else has Katie done within the organization. I see that Katie has also downloaded another patent document, which is against the compliance rules of the project. I immediately notify Katie, that her actions have caused information disclosure within the organization, and I caution her about protecting confidential content in the future. These logs give you the ability to search all activities and logons across Office 365. You can imagine using the same workflow for a security investigation where the implications are likely much more severe. You can also build your own experience on the same data with the Office 365 Management Activity API. These are just a few highlights. There's so much more in the platform, so please start evaluating our search and investigation capabilities and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.